Hola! It's been a minute. We're back with Rust and Schach, which is German for chess. I've dusted off this old project, and I just opened it in CodeSpace. I hit F5, and CodeSpace was like, I know how to run this, and it ran it, and then boom, I got Rust Panic. I got freaking instructions on the screen, and then I'm seeing not yet implemented, and that's making me think I am throwing an assertion with the words not yet implemented. That's my suspicion, as a sort of breadcrumb to lead me to where I left off. Smart. Classic situation here, coming back to your old code. Yeah, let's see. So let's see, like, it's in here, and it's like showing me. Okay, here we go. So it should show like main white player make a move, player make a move, possible moves. To do, not yet implemented. Interesting. Wow, is that like a Rust thing? So is this a knight? Is it trying to move the knight? Also, I noticed a comment on my last video, actually from just 2 months ago, saying black pieces or white pieces are conventionally indicated using lowercase letters. So maybe let's just implement that lowercase letter thing as a way to ease back into this. It's been a while, of course, and where's is Copilot? Do we have Copilot here? Control I. I thought Control I would give me Copilot. Where's Copilot? Copilot. Oh, Copilot. Oh my God. Do I have to install? You have to install. Like, even in Copilot, you have to, or in code spaces, you have to install Copilot. It's so weird. I think there's some way to like share a VS Code config across multiple code space configurations, but I'm too lazy to like figure that out. Pretty sure Microsoft should just default it that way, guys, come on. So it's installed, I guess. And are you alive? Is Copilot alive? Control I? There we go. How are you? Okay, you are queen doing things. Sheesh. Oh man. Should we just take that code? No. Let's figure out the printing. Where do we print? Okay, let's just see. Make it print, let's look at that video comment, actually. The standard way of representing white pieces is a capital letter and lowercase for black. Okay. All right. Nope. There. Okay, lowercase for black. So let's just ask Copilot, print black pieces using lowercase letters. Okay, where are we printing? Yeah, here we go. All right, so we're not going to do this. None of this stuff. None of this. Can y'all see? Is this text big enough? In my terminal. I want you over here. Right? I want you over there. And I don't want minimap. This is for YouTube, dog. No Explorer? Not Explorer. It's like the activity bar. Hidden. Okay. Okay. So the print part. Where did it go? Here we are. All right. We'll delete this guy. Hey, it's good to be back on YouTube. You excited to see me? Actually, I want to know though if color is, yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm thinking too hard. Let's just ask Copilot. Print letters lowercase if color is black. Yeah, I was afraid it would be this massive, like, unnecessary, unrolled code. But hey, you know, this is the AI era we live in. So, you know, what are you gonna do? How does that look? Can we run this thing? I'll just hit F5. Got some errors and stuff. All right, nice. Rook, knight. Is knight actually supposed to be N? I feel like Copilot gave me that. Maybe that's correct. Yeah, because K is king. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook, pawns. All right. Sweet. Okay, we got about 20 minutes left, 25 minutes left of unedited recording time, I think. Let's make some moves. Let's so where are we crashing again? Yeah, we're crashing Rust Panic. It's so fun. Reminds me of the software company called Panic, who made a little hardware like Game Boy thing. How fun is that? So this is clearly the problem. It's knight. Why is it a knight again? It's always like just trying to move the knight. Is that like, why is it always trying to move the knight? Yeah. All right. So, yeah, man, chess is like pretty complicated. I feel like this kind of thing would benefit from a unit test situation, you know, can we, like, how do I know? I'm looking at this rook moving code. How do I know this is correct? Pawn. How come we can't get some pieces to move? Like, we just make these like no ops instead of crash so we can see something happen. I'm gonna get rid of this. What the heck is possible moves? What the heck is that? Oh, that's like the return value. That's how you return in Rust. Man, we got a lot to learn. Okay. So yeah, let's make these no ops to do. Is that Rust? Okay, whatever. Make these no ops instead of to do. Nice. Let's run that. Nothing's happening. Run. Okay, we're still not getting any pieces moving. Cannot sample empty range. What? Okay. Alt Z, good VS Code key shortcut. Wrapping, toggle wrapping works on Mac OS and Windows and Linux. Alt Z, except I guess on Mac it's not called Alt, it's called Option. But at least it's not that like Control versus Command nonsense. Okay, pick a random possible move. Possible moves. All right, so it sounds like, yeah, possible moves is empty. So that's going to give us problems. Possible moves is empty. Why is that? And I can't control click possible moves. I guess piece, because we don't know like which possible moves that is. Moves. Implementation piece possible moves. If it's pawn, if it's rook. So why is that empty? Like there should be some moves. Well, yeah, like a pawn should be able to move. Rook can't move. But why aren't we getting pawn moves? We should have pawn moves. Are we even running the pawn possible move generator? Pawn. Print hello world from pawn move generator. That didn't do anything. Print line. Pawn move generator. F5. Cannot sample empty range. Are we calling possible moves? Print line. Possible moves for F5. I feel like I'm working real hard. You know, this AI, what is this AI doing for me exactly right now? F5. Straight up, like, no dice. What's wrong with these dice? Man. Unused cargo invocation. Where's the errors? Error? Error. Piece type doesn't implement debug. What? Unused variable random move. Let's get rid of that because I don't want all this noise. In the console. Unused variable possible moves. Right. Still such a long output. Piece type doesn't implement debug, dude. Oh, I'm trying to print something I can't print. Piece type doesn't have, can't like stringify itself. Like, It's like, all I want to know is like, so AI, you're just like doing too much AI. Like, I just want a freaking hello world here. Oh, oh, pawns are moving, dude. Oh, I feel like we got to this point already last time. Well, it's running again. Yep, this is a pretty interesting game. Now what's gonna happen? Okay. All right. Nice. Okay. So maybe it was that -1, +1 thing. Wait. What? Why did this work now? I didn't change anything. Did I? What? I don't understand. Okay, whatever, it's working. Also, why is it making moves? I thought I commented out the move taking code. Why is it actually moving pieces? What? If piece pawn, move the pawn forward 1 square. Okay, it's just like moving. This is okay. This is doing different stuff. That's not what I want. If piece, what the heck? Shouldn't be moving the pawn 1 square. It should be taking a move from here. Okay. So yeah, let's like do this again. Now, are we getting our? We need to get our moves generated. You're still doing this. Do we? Random move. So can we get back to our error? Whoa! Oh wow, the F5 just reloaded the page. Oh my god. Code space. Oh no. Oh, I just noticed I have an embarrassing activate Windows thinger over here. I swear I paid Microsoft enough for copies of Windows. I just reinstalled recently. Alright, so cannot sample empty range. It's like we're not getting that print. And this file is too long. Wish it was shorter. You always want to organize into multiple files. 10 minutes left. Maybe we'll give it 15 minutes. It'd be nice to fix this bug, you know? I don't want to leave y'all empty-handed. Random move. So be nice to get all this into a different file. Can AI do that? Move this function into a different file. Actually, yeah, I don't think you didn't actually make another file, did you? No. Okay, how do I get my thing back? All right. Stop. run. Maybe VS Code has like a Rust tool that can do that. And if so, it'd be nice if the Rust extension could expose its API to Copilot, and Copilot could know to use that extension. What? Okay, so where's our print line? Why is that print line not possible? Okay, that could explain why it's not coming out on the console. Let's try this again. Okay, we are running possible moves, but pawn generator is not running. Why would pawn generator not run? Piece, what is the piece we're running on? Match self.piece type. Piece, right, the piece. So it's just picking a random. Okay, it's like, so this is for. Match call some piece. It's like going through the whole board. And then match call. What is call? Piece. Right. So it's just finding the first piece it finds, and then it's just finding one piece, and then okay, well, let's get rid of this. We don't want this, I don't think. So if it's some piece, but then if it's none, we're like that. Empty. This is an empty position. So yeah, so we need to generate more possible moves. We need to generate all the possible moves for all pieces. So we gotta do like let like possible moves. What does this return? A vec? Tell me what this returns, mofo. Well, let's trust that, and then, okay, so. Good. Piece, possible moves, and then append piece, or like concatenate piece possible moves onto possible moves. Extend. Nice. Okay, and then this is should not be here. That should be here after we go through all the pieces. And then let's print. That's our move. Print line. Our random move is that. Let's try that. F5. Yeah, mutable. Let mute. Make it mutable. Yes. Okay, exit. So we can see this output because it's just like, wow, that's not an exit. Try again. Oh my God. Okay. Exit process. Wow. Okay, let's just try exit 1. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Run. God, that's... These computers are so bad. Man, you can't exit, dude. Alright. Maybe when we print the board, like... Can't control click to this even? Dude. Do I not have like Rust in here? Rust? Extensions for Rust. Rust Analyzer. The Rust programming language. Okay. Can I control click this now? Nope. Dude. Bootstrap error. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. We might have to move back to proper VS Code. Board, dude. Okay, print, yeah. So, how do we not, like, don't clear the screen? Just print it out. Ay, ay, ay. Is that happening down here? Clear the screen. Okay, don't clear the screen. Cargo task failed. Exit. Right. No more of that. That was Control-Shift-K, by the way, to delete a line. Oh, yeah. Cargo task failed. Oh, my goodness. Okay. This is doing things. Man. Okay. Exit would be nice. You know, I want to know how to exit. How do you exit a Rust program? Go, little AI, go. Okay, there we go. Wow, okay, that made it work. Yeah. How do you exit a Rust program? All right. Okay, there we go. Why is that this ugly gray back? Oh, that's because I'm setting the background to gray, probably. Pawn move generator. Random move. 3, 7. So it's a move. So, okay, let's make that move. Make the move. Make the move. Let piece equals... The piece, unwrap, sure. I'd love to unwrap a present. Who doesn't like doing that? Board grid, yeah. Empty, and then RC. What's RC? That doesn't seem right. I think we've flipped the destination, and this has the source and destination positions flipped. Okay. Yeah, all right. Yeah, let's see if this works, and let's clear up those. Yeah, let's just run it, see what happens. Cargo task failed. Can I find value? R, yeah, okay. Yeah, what is the possible move? We need to keep track of what the source location was for this possible move. What is possible move returning? Possible move. It returns just a vector, a single coordinate. Yeah, it should return maybe the piece too, I guess. Or you know, make it return like, make it return both the source and destination positions. Oh boy. Okay. Well, this is what I want. Sort of. Make this a struct containing source and destination positions. Like just that one little thing. Move, okay. Back move, okay. Why is it adding so much? It really wants to add that rook back in there. Fine. Accept. Okay. All right. Let's try that. And then we gotta like use, yeah, it was like we're gonna have an error here, right? Row column not found. Right. Yeah, so it's like possible move dot destination dot destination and random move dot source dot 0. Such interesting, curious notation style here in Rust. Dot 0 dot 1. And yeah, let's. I'm doing so much work. I really should be putting that AI to use. Cargo task failed. Move not found in this scope. And we have something called move. Oh, it's like inside piece. Huh. Does that make sense? I mean, whatever. Let's put it up here. We're not trying to write the most freaking perfect, beautifully architected code here. We're trying to make it work. Print line, random move, of course. Okay, well, implement a freaking like debug. Implement debug. Derive debug. Okay. Yay. Cannot move out of index of vec move. Line 249. Can I move out of index of vec move? Really feel like the AI should be reading the error and acting on it, you know, offering to act on it. Move occurs because value has type move, which does not implement the copy trait. Cannot move out of index. Okay. Move doesn't implement copy. Fine. Implement copy. Sheesh. Implement copy. Derive. Debug copy clone. Alright, there you go. No idea what that means. Are we introducing a memory leak? Who knows? Okay, it's making random moves. Wow, the rook just moved, just jumped over and back. This is something. This is something. We got pawns moving. We got rooks moving. We got rooks teleporting. Dude. Yeah. That's nice, dude. That's nice. Should I get a little greedy? I just like, I want to, you know, manage my time. I got things to do other than this, you know. But, oh, this is exciting. Can we make the rook, like, kind of see that there's something in the way? Look at that. Look at that. That's fine. We'll leave it like this. Yeah. Let's pick this up next time. You know? Leave a like, of course, and a comment and a subscribe, hit the bell and the you know, you can ring my bell and let's like and subscribe, please. And yeah, you know, just so I know you're seeing this. You want to see more? Just like give me some feedback. Let's make this happen. All right. Yeah, and as always, enjoy, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Peace. I gotta hit stop on the recording.